Okay, so what we want is a domain name. Domain names is a technical word, and what it really means is what is the name of my website? So for this project, we want a couple of things. We want an AI agent that does things, interacts with our parents, our students via WhatsApp or Telegram or some kind of messaging service or even email. But we want a front end to it. We want a website as well because that's what we need nowadays. So I'm going to search for domain name. I do suggest that if even if you currently have a website, I will just do this because then you can experiment and practice and not break your own website. The things you can do are absolutely amazing. But we'll see. We'll see as we progress. So I'm thinking of AI agents for tutors. So AIagentsfortutors.com. And we're just going to buy it. Okay, there we are. We're done. So we set up the Hetzner server and we're now going to, so your Hetzner server is an IP address and we need to point your AI agents for tutors to the Hetzner server. Or you really need to change the DNS. So you go to add a record, turn off proxy status, type paste in your IP address and save. And that's it. You're done.